In Europe, you can buy chocolate eggs with a toy inside. In the US, it's illegal apparently. So, a long time ago, these toys required a lot of assembly, but nowadays it's just usually two pieces. You put them together and discover that all it does is ejects the front. Okay, so a DIY salt shaker can be made from this egg. The toy is usually inside. Take a cutter, knife, blade, whatever, and you cut a hole here. A triangle works best. Like that. And there you go. You put the salt inside. It will be safe. And you can shake it out. Nice.